Oh, hello there.
Are you Benjamin Franklin?
Why, yes, of course I am. The greatest inventor of all time.
Great. I was just about to take a quick nap.
We're not just telling kids about inventors, we're bringing them into the story.
In 1991, I invented something called the World Wide Web. You know it as the Internet.
Whoa, you invented the internet?
Oh no, I didn't invent ice cream, but it's very ice to be here.
His name was George Washington Carver. He's one of the most brilliant men of his time. Here he is.
Why, thank you for that kind introduction, my friend.
Oh, a PhD, that's like the diploma that the Scarecrow gets at the end of The Wizard of Oz.
Yes,
Yeah.
but mine was real, and I had to work really hard for it.
Oh,
We just had the time-traveling invention show at Bridge Valley Elementary, and it was great. And it was great, 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 great.
Now I'm getting to work on my latest invention.
all right, what's that?
It's called homework.
What? Wait a minute, hold on.
I think the kids will love it.
You guys like homework? No.